Hold on, wait, I'm not done. And Bailey, thank you for the picture. I took it home to show Mrs. Claus loves Santa. P.S. I left a big surprise for you and Aubrey. It's in the garage, but you have to open it last. He wrote you a letter and took your picture home for Mrs. Claus.
Bailey, what did you do?
Mommy, there's big Santa and Mr. Claus, too.
Yeah, there is, isn't there? Hold on, Aubrey.
Open your stockings first, girl.
Bailey, what did he bring?
Minnie!
Did you want a Minnie doll?
Minnie! I want it! Minnie!
Looks like it's dressed like
Wow, she's cute.
I want it!
He knew you wanted